Good morning, you guys. It's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. So today we are back at Family Dollar, and I'm going to do something a little bit different today. I thought about what about if we did a $5 budget haul? So we're not going to use the 5 off of 25. We're not going to do a really big transaction. We are just going to put together a haul that's about $5. So this is going to be a $5 challenge. If you want to keep a low out of pocket, what can you get at Family Dollar? So the first thing I am going to do is I'm going to grab some soft soap body wash. So these are $3, and you guys know by now we have a $2 off one store digital coupon, which makes it only $1. That in itself is a great deal. But then I have a 75-cent off manufacturer coupon that we can use with our store coupon that will bring this down to only 25 cents. So this is going to be our first deal today, and you can get this manufacturer coupon from the soft soap website. I printed it this morning, so it is now available. The next item we are going to grab is another bag of the Finish Quantum. So I showed you guys this deal last night. We have a $1 store digital coupon on these. And then we're also going to use our $2 off one manufacturer coupon from the 928 Smart Source. Makes these only 50 cents each. So this is the next item in our deal. Now I'm going to grab a Silver Falls juice. So these are $1.50 regular price, but then we have a $1 off one digital coupon, making it only 50 cents. Now I'm going to grab another one of the clearance Tide. I showed you guys these yesterday. They were on clearance for $4.21. I see someone grabbed the clearance Tide Pods that were here. You guys move fast, and I love it. So they were $3.79, so they would make our deal a little bit cheaper, but I'm going to get one of the Tide liquids since they're out of the pods for $4.21, and then we are going to use that $2 off one digital coupon. And then finally, I'm going to grab another box of the Cheez-Its. So these are on sale for $2 this week, and when you buy this and a Coke, you can use the $2.25 off one digital coupon. All right, you guys, so this is a quick overview of everything that we have today. I have one of the Finish Quantum, going to use that $2 off one paper coupon plus the $1 off one digital store coupon. And then I have my Tide detergent, going to use the $2 off digital on that. It is $4.21. I have my soft soap. It is $3. Going to use that 75-cent off paper coupon plus the $2 off one store coupon. I have my apple juice. It is $1.50. Going to use the $1 off one store coupon. And then I have my Cheez-Its. I'm going to test something and see if I can get the bigger bottle of Coke, the 1 liter bottle instead of the 20 ounce. We are going to use the $2.25 off digital coupon on that. The 1 liter is $1, and then the Cheez-Its are $2. So let's go check out. All right, you guys, so I am back at home, and I just wanted to debrief because my transactions I ended up having to split into, and I ended up having to swap that soda out for the 20-ounce soda instead of the 1 liter. Abort mission on that. That does not work. Y'all know I'm the queen of experimentation. I was like, can I get this big soda? The answer is no. You have to get that 20 ounce that is $1.95, which is kind of sad because the 1 liter and the 2 liter are cheaper than the 20-ounce soda, but it's okay. I'm going to take my mom her Cheez-Its and her Coke, and she is going to be very, very happy. But I did 2 transactions just because of the digitals that I had left available on the accounts that I was using. So in the first transaction, I did everything except for the soft soap. And then in the second transaction, I just did the soft soap. It is important when you are using paper coupons and digitals at Family Dollar, please hand over your paper coupons first. I know that everybody's like, give your paper coupons last. Give your paper coupons first. It will just make things so much easier. Give over your paper coupons. After they scan those, ask to put in your phone number. So let me show you my 2 receipts. So here is receipt number 1. Let me focus in. There's our apple juice, $1.50, our $1 off Family Dollar coupon, our Cheez-Its, that $2 coupon coming off on those. There's our Tide at $4.21, the $2 coupon coming off on that. And there is our Finish Quantum time at 50 cents because we had $3.50 minus the $2 paper coupon and then the $1 store coupon. And then there is the Coke with the other 25 cents from our digital coupon. Transaction number one came up to $4.91, y'all. And we had a total savings of $6.25. And then, like I said, I just did the soft soap in transaction number two. So here's my receipt for that. This was super easy, just 25 cents, y'all. So there's the soft soap at $3. We had our 75-cent off printable coupon, and then our $2 Family Dollar store coupon. I just paid a quarter. Can't get any more simple than that. So I paid $4.91 in my first transaction and then 25 cents. I literally just pulled some change out and gave her 32 cents after tax for that soft soap body wash. Doesn't get any better than that. So when you think about, we paid $5.24 total for all 6 of these items. That's a great deal. Just a bottle of Tide is $5. So to get everything for $5, I think is fantastic. Please let me know if you have any questions. As always, I thank y'all so much for watching. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I would love to have you, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.